Are your relationships feeling a little stuck? Maybe you're tired of the same old arguments, or perhaps you just want to feel truly understood. What if I told you that just 5 simple habits could completely transform how you connect with the people who matter most? Get ready to unlock deeper understanding, unwavering support, and genuine joy in every bond. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ingrid, and this space is all about self-love, healing, and building more peaceful, intentional relationships, both with others and with yourself. Today, I want to share 5 simple but powerful habits that have truly changed the way I show up in my relationships, friendships, family, and love. Because healthy relationships don't just happen, they grow from awareness, patience, and small daily choices that build trust and understanding. So, make yourself a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about the habits that can help you build more meaningful, lasting connections. We live in a world full of noise, where people often listen to respond, not to understand. But real connection starts when we slow down enough to be fully present with someone. When someone talks to you, put down your phone, make eye contact, and give them your attention. It's a simple act, but it says, "You matter." Presence builds safety, and safety builds trust. When you start showing up fully in conversations, you'll notice people open up more deeply, and your relationships begin to feel richer and more genuine. Communicate honestly, even when it's uncomfortable. Honest communication is love in action. It's easy to stay silent to avoid conflict, but silence often creates distance. Learning to express how you feel with kindness and calmness changes everything. Instead of saying, "You never listen to me," try, "I feel unheard sometimes, and I really need your understanding." See the difference? One attacks, the other invites connection. Honesty builds emotional safety. It allows love to grow without pretending, without walking on eggshells, and without hiding parts of yourself to keep the peace. The truth is, you can't build real intimacy while staying guarded. You build it by being brave enough to speak your truth with softness. Boundaries aren't walls, they're bridges that protect love. They say, "This is how I can love you and still take care of myself." For so long, I thought setting boundaries meant being selfish. But I learned that saying no can actually save relationships because resentment grows in silence. When you communicate your needs with kindness and consistency, you teach others how to treat you, and you also model what healthy self-respect looks like. Boundaries are not about control, they're about clarity. And clarity keeps love steady. Every misunderstanding comes with a choice: to judge or to stay curious. When someone disappoints you or reacts differently than you expect, instead of jumping to conclusions, pause and ask yourself, what might they be feeling right now? Curiosity softens anger. It helps you see beyond the surface into someone's story, their fears, their stress, or their unspoken needs. When we practice curiosity, relationships become less about being right and more about understanding each other. That's where healing begins, in understanding, not accusation. We all express love differently through words, actions, quality time, touch, or small gestures. Sometimes we give love the way we want to receive it instead of how the other person needs it. Take time to notice what makes the people you love feel seen. Is it a warm hug, a few kind words, acts of service, quiet time together. When you begin to love intentionally in their language, connection deepens. Because real love isn't about grand gestures. It's about making someone feel safe, valued, and understood. Don't forget the relationship with yourself. Every relationship you have mirrors the one you have with yourself. If you're constantly giving without rest, you'll attract people who take. If you struggle to speak up, you'll attract people who talk over you. But when you treat yourself with kindness, boundaries, and self-respect, you set the tone for how others will treat you. Love yourself the way you wish others would, and watch how every relationship in your life begins to shift. Strong relationships aren't built overnight. They're built in small moments, listening fully, speaking honestly, respecting boundaries, staying curious, and loving intentionally. These habits aren't just ways to connect with others. They're ways to live with more compassion, understanding, and peace. Because at the heart of every meaningful relationship is this truth. Love grows when we stop trying to control others and start learning how to truly see them. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this video spoke to your heart, I hope you carry these reminders into your relationships and into how you love yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need a gentle reminder that love grows through presence, honesty, and care. Until next time, take care, speak softly, and love deeply.